Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Jeulia jewelry unboxing. I am super excited. I loved the pieces that I got last time. They were so beautiful. I will leave that linked up in the cards because if you missed it, definitely go check it out. There are some really great pieces. So when Jeulia reached out to me to work together again, of course I said yes. I'm super excited. Sometimes we just need things that are simple but beautiful and make us feel really good about ourselves. And I feel like jewelry is something that I've kind of fallen back in love with recently. It makes me feel very girly, very put together. And I like having pieces that are simple but have a nice statement. They're just a little bit different, and I think these are perfect for that. I feel like there are so many different ways that you could wear these, lots of different occasions, and they're just very versatile. So I know I'm gonna get really good use out of them, and the quality is amazing, so I know that I can get really good use out of them, which is super important. So as always, they come beautifully packaged. I love their boxes. They're super nice. And then when you open them, the inside looks like this. It's nice and velvety and beautiful. And then everything comes in these little bags. These are so pretty. I mean, I picked everything out, but I forgot. So shout out previous me, you did a great job. So these are the first thing that we have. They are these little earrings, and look how beautiful they are. I really like these. There's so much detail in here, and I love the little tiny stones plus the pearl. I feel like that is just so pretty. It's gonna be a great, simple, everyday piece that I can wear all the time. I'm super excited about these. I love it. Last time I ordered things for my family and some of the amazing women in my life, and this time I decided to treat myself because I too am an amazing woman who deserves amazing things. I forgot about this. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have been seeing these like 2-stone rings for so long, and I really like them. But I feel like I just can never pick something that means a lot to me. I feel like I'm not the biggest fan of my birthstone. I feel like sometimes I'm born in August, so the birthstone is peridot. So I was super excited to see that Jeulia has this, and I absolutely love how this looks. This is what it looks like. You get to pick the stones. So these are the two that I chose. I think they're so pretty. I absolutely love it, and it works perfectly because they are Seahawks colors, which now that I live in Washington, I've always been a Seahawks fan because of my husband, but now I get to be an extra Seahawks fan. I don't know why, I just like love pinky rings, so I got that with the intention of having it as a pinky ring. I think it's so cute. So I love the peridot. I can't remember what the other blue stone is, but I really like it, and I love that it's in a little heart shape. Yay, how exciting. And then lastly, oh, I forgot about this too. Clearly I forgot about everything that I ordered. This is a beautiful necklace. I have been wearing the same necklace for a couple years now that my in-laws got me, and I loved it. And I went and I got my hair done, and we took the necklace off, and I put it down, and it just got so tangled. And then when I untangled it, I ripped it. I know, it was so sad. So that was gone, and I just feel like I wanted something that was like simple but meaningful to me, and I really liked this. So this is a heart with some rhinestones on it. You also could totally wear it the other way if you just wanted the simple gold, but I feel like this is so pretty. I love the little detail of the rhinestones on the outside. I just think this is so gorgeous and simple and very just like princessy and magical. So I really like this. I am a super big fan of all of these things. I'm very excited about this, and I love that I get to like treat myself. I just got a raise at work, so I feel good about treating myself in different ways, and I'm very glad that Jeulia decided to send me these pieces and let me celebrate myself a little bit, because we all need that. So I'm super excited. If you are interested in shopping them, these will be linked down below, as well as a discount code so that you can save yourself some money on their already incredible prices. Thank you so much to Jeulia for letting me pick these pieces out. I'm super excited to wear them. Thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I always appreciate having you here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!